Good morning, kids. How are you all? How is the day? Yes, today is a sunny day, isn't it? Okay, kids, do you prefer morning or night? A few of you like day, and some of you the night. Do you like to wake up in the morning? Oh, very good. All of you like to wake up in the morning. Okay, now let's enter into our new chapter. It's a beautiful small poem. Do you like poems? The title of our poem is Good Morning. Now look at the picture. What you can see in this picture? A girl, birds, sun, trees, etc. Is the girl is happy? Yes. Why she is happy? Now let's find out why the girl is happy. Are you ready? Carefully. I will read the poem. Good morning. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees and creeping grass and brownie bees. Okay, in this poem, the girl wished good morning to the sky, sun, slow wind, birds, trees, and also the creeping grass and brownie bees. Okay, kids, you should always wish your parents, teachers, friends, everyone good morning, right? Here in this poem, the girl wake up early in the morning and wishing the sky, sun, wind, birds, trees, grass and brownie bees good morning. In the second stanza, how did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. Here in this stanza, the girl asked them, how did you know it's morning? Who told you that night is over and it's morning? Anybody told you these things? Okay, kids, tell me one thing. How we know it was morning? Yes, there came a big bright ball in the sky. Who is that? Yes, it's a sun. The sun is came to wake up us and tell us that night is over and it's morning time. Okay, then the last three lines. I am wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. Now, what's the girl is saying? Now I am wake up. It's morning, so I don't have to stay at home. I can go outside and play. Did everyone understand the poem? We have some new words here. Let's know what are they. First word is creeping. Creeping grass in this poem means short grass. You can see in this picture that's creeping grass. The second one is awake. Awake means to wake up. You can see in this picture a boy is wake up from his bed. Then the third one is gone away. Gone away means went off. Okay. Now we can see some question answers. Simple question answers. First one is, why is the child in the poem happy? The child in the poem is happy because it's morning now and the night is over. The second question, to whom does the child say good morning? The child says good morning to the sky, sun, wind, birds, trees, grass and bees. The third question, what does the child want to do? The child want to play with the birds and bees. These are simple question answers, isn't it? I think all of you understand the question answers. Then moving to the next activity. Next is rhyming words. What is rhyming words? In the poem, we can see that some words in the end of some lines are matching in sounds is known as rhyming. For example, bees, trees, day, away, to, you. Spelling is different, meaning is different, but tune is the same, isn't it? To make our poem good and interesting, we used rhyming words. Once more, I will read the rhyming words. Bees, trees, day, away, to, you. Okay, now moving to the next activity. It's very interesting for you. Can you tell me some things you see at daytime? And then tell me some things you see at night. Okay, now look at the picture. What are the things we can see at daytime and in night? During the daytime, we can see clouds, sun, and the sky is blue. And at night, moon, stars, and the color of the sky is black. Okay, students, did all of you like drawing? Now, all of you take your notebook and draw the picture of day and night in it and write the things what we can see in the daytime and night time. Okay? All of you do it as an homework. We will read the poem once more. Good morning. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees and creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. In short, the poem is about a child who is happy to see the sun. And it's morning. She is very happy because now she can go out and play. So, I hope all of you understand the poem, and along with that, you will do the whole exercise in the chapter. Okay, thank you.